Open bedroom door. Close bedroom door.
So in the opening of this video, I showed you how I get Google Assistant to open and close my bedroom door. For you information, this is my prototype build. That's mean I will have improvised build after this. At first, I designed this system by my electrical base so you can see the control box are quite bulky. I start everything with the working logic of electrical parts. Then I went to 3D to work out the mechanism. I draw every single component, parts, and even the screws and nuts in order to get the exact dimension and quantity of the casing, parts, and electrical components. I bought this smart switch from Shopee, integration with Tuya smart home apps, which also work with Google Assistant. There are 2-channel relay in this smart switch, and it can be powered from 5 volts to 36 volts. The apps of this switch can do many things, include configure how the switch going to act, interlock, timer, and automation scenario. By giving the name to the switch, you can use Google Assistant to remotely control this switch. Let's check the actual build. Here are mostly electrical base relays and timers. As this is my prototype, I used those components that I am familiar with. Somehow, I also tried to build some electronic module to control the current and make connectors. Here I showed you the remote control by using Google Assistant. By pressing the button accordingly, the smart switch module get response and activate the relay. This is door handle open and close mechanism. And this is door pusher and puller mechanism. I used planetary motor and GT2 belt to drive the wheel so that the wheel able to push and pull the door. In the other hand, the solenoid act as belt tension adjuster, so when the motor are not running, the GT2 belt will loose its tension and let the wheel rotate freely. By this way, the door can also open-close manually. The next build, or next prototype, I am planning to use chargeable battery so that the overall size of the system can be further reduced and also get rid of the fussy job for wiring around the house. And also the whole concept shall change as well in order to save space and make it more workable for most common door design. Thanks for watching, and please leave your comment at below if any. Kindly click like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell if you are interested to see how the second prototype looks like in actual.